Today's training will cover how to make an online request for service on your advanced equipment. From the browser, go to www.advancedstuff.com. When our web page opens, simply click Support and click on Request Service. When that page opens, one of the most important pieces of information will be the equipment ID, which you can find on a red sticker on your machine. From there, once you fill in the equipment ID, we would like your first and last name, your company name, the company phone number or contact number, an extension if that's applicable, and an email address. If there is a second email address, please also include that. We would then like the address where the machine is physically located. And also if you have an alternate contact name, that may be helpful as well. In the description, please just note why you're calling in for service. And is the machine operable? Simply let us know yes or no, and then click Submit. Once you submit your request, you will then get a follow-up email from Advance notifying you that your service request has been placed. So there you have it.
We hope you found this video helpful because here at Advance,
We live and breathe this stuff.
Should you wish to contact us or see additional training videos, please visit us at www.advancedstuff.com/training.